What if you invested 10,000 Kenyan shillings in KPLC last year, 2025? How much will you have made? So let's assume you bought the shares in January 2025 and KPLC's share price then was around 6 shillings per share. So we subtract the brokerage fees and other charges, your invested value would be 9,780, which is equivalent to 1,429 shares. And now in January 2026, one share goes for 14 shillings per share. We subtract brokerage fees and other charges. Your KPLC current net value will be 20,824. So to get the capital gains, we subtract the current net value with the invested value. Then we'll get 11,044, which is about 112% profit. And you should know that capital gains are only realized when the shares are sold. When the shares are not sold, your gains will be called unrealized gains. And for dividends, KPLC paid an interim dividend of 0.2 shillings per share. It was paid in April 2025. And there is a final dividend of 0.8 shillings per share, which will be paid in January 30th, 2026. And one thing you should know, dividends are only paid if one holds their shares before book closure. So let's calculate. The total will be 1 shilling per share. So the total dividends that you will have in January 2026 will be 1,429 shillings. And when we subtract a withholding tax of 5%, your total net dividends will be 1,357. So your total earnings would be your capital gains plus total net dividends, which will be equivalent to 12,401, which is about 126% in return. Will you have invested in KPLC?